attract nice.
Now you know how to get a nice girl in
Look,
Bali.
see?
Get yourself small dog and come to the beach. Look, see? What's
Yeah,
up?
Okay, so now we are in Canggu. So I know that most of you may be thinking Canggu again. Why Canggu again? Well, we have to be realistic, right? The busiest place nowadays, the most hype, is Canggu. We will stroll around Canggu and let's see how it is. It's right in front of me, old man. I know that most of you, whenever you used to go to Canggu and this famous old man unfortunately closed. But since it is closed,
It's not so busy actually in this area.
as you know, as in the La Brisa area or any other area. So
In
yeah,
Canggu.
let's roll around it.
Let's stroll around and we will see how's the life over here. So basically we used to coming to the old man's quite often. As you're watching us for longer while, you remember that if you are new on the channel. Everything here was so busy during the, well, last year, during the Christmas, New Year's. And suddenly, like last month or 2 months ago, they closed this. I think something in January,
I
yeah.
don't know, maybe something happened with the management. I don't know really.
Yeah, doesn't really matter, it's closed. But in general, because of the old man here in this area used to be so busy in general every day, especially on weekends, like today is Saturday. But as you see, it's not so busy how it's supposed to be. We'll see how's the life on the beach. But as you see, waiters waiting just for the customers and not much is happening. We are strolling on the beach, and as you see,
So yeah, here is a famous eco beach. So
it's quite windy, by the way. Some big photographers here. So here is some photographer and making pictures of surfers, and also is the kite surf, no, windsurf. I don't know how to call them, kite surfers or what?
yeah, kite surfer.
Kite surfers, yeah. Also, I see he's making a... Hello, how are you? I don't know how to swim, my friend. I wish, but I can. Yeah, so...
This is the vibe in Batu Polong. Yeah, still. More local, I think.
See, cool. This guy, kite surfer, is quite windy today. It's really windy. People chilling, some surfers around. As you see, music. I have to be careful of this doggo also chilling. Yeah, big city life lah. So we are strolling here, and I just thinking why so quiet actually, because when we was last time here it was much busier than it's today, yes honey? I don't know, it was like quiet. And it's Saturday afternoon, it's 1 hour to sunset. It's usually this place is packed of people, but I don't know.
Maybe they just moved to the La Brisa area.
Maybe they moved to
There
the-
is more like party life, you know.
The La Brisa area where we was last week actually, because there the places are closed, the famous club, bar, so yeah, that's probably how the trend follow, and we are late with the trend. So what's up, doggos? At least doggos are happy. Always happy in Bali, doggos.
Only, yeah, Canggu is always packed with the surfers around.
Surfers. Also here is the lawn, quite famous place for the expats who living here, maybe not tourists but expats. However, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of this place. And well, here's some river. Have to trespass this. Point of view of the ocean. There are some people playing the volleyball. Check this out. Not so bad. At least they are happy and enjoying their life.
Alright, so I think that let's go have a bintang or let's go have a drink in the one warung upstairs. Let's go. I think that seems look busy. So yeah, let's go.
And it's nice view of the ocean from there, not so bad. So we got our rudders. It's so hot, by the way.
So we've got one email is actually asking that this guy is kind of a digital nomad and asking that where is the best place to move. I know, still single. And then he asked me that where is the best place to move and then the best place for dating, finding a nice girl later on. So yeah, I think that the best place nowadays is Canggu.
Probably.
Yeah, as we see that nowadays many people are in Canggu, and the hype also that it's really good for you for digital nomads. And after that you working and then you can go surfing. He's also surfer. So this is for you guys. Because Old Man's there is closed, we decided to have a bintang in the warung just next door, next to Old Man. Place is famous for those surfers who just wanna have a chill in the warung after surfing. For those surfers who just finish surfing and they wanna have a dinner. The vibe is so nice. You see, there's quite many people nowadays in the warung, and then we have the
darling, stay by me,
very nice.
stand by me, stand by me.
Okay, people just wanna have a dinner here. It's very nice vibe, and also yeah, corn cellar down there, and one guy is still working facing the ocean. I'll show you. This is how the life of digital nomad in Canggu, working facing the ocean. Surfer shop. Unfortunately, there is no sunset today.
And check this out, they have a $2 snacks, not so bad actually.
Yeah, that's true. They have a very cheap snack here. If you compare with the place, let's say in La Brisa or other, the lawn next door, very expensive, and also with the tax and everything. This place, I can show you the menu. Is
Kinda good, affordable, and this is not
also-
any kind of paid endorsement, guy. Yeah, just comparing the hype versus hype. I don't know, because somehow it's complicated. So that's how it looks, the vibe here. It's going a little bit more busier, as you see. It's quite nice view of the ocean. Also the streets over here doing the great job for the vibe. And the sunset will be over here. There are some puppies here. Small wee doggos, check this out. Not so bad. So cute. Honey, what are you doing? Oh.
Feeding the doggo. Sorry, doggo, only the ball is left. Okay for you, darling. Sorry, doggo, I bought you ball. I mean, like, this is the rest. We just came. Good boy, doggo.
He's hungry lah.
Yeah, he's hungry.
Yeah. Chicken wings for doggo.
Yeah.
Bones
yeah?
only. Sorry, but still good.
Better than nothing.
Better than plain nasi only.
Better than you got hungry. Habis lah.
All.
Habis.
By the way, the newest trend. Check this out.
So those boys are smart though. So they bring a small puppies and dogs, and look, many nice girl approaching.
Smart, they are
I
smart.
think this is the nice trick to attract nice.
Now you know how to get a nice girl in
Look,
Bali.
see?
Get yourself small dog and come to the beach. Look, see now Pula.
Another guy also approaching because of sweet dog.
Sweet dogs or sweet girl because they
Yeah. So guys, whenever you come to Canggu, just bring your dogs with you.
you know what to do. The Canggu kids from the small age they already surfing. Not so bad.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Canggu. Thank Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you. Take care.